Yo, what is up, guys? We are back with a Minecraft video, and today we are playing this game, and you're like a security officer, and like, you know, you like be security-ish. So, if you want to know, yeah, I'm playing with Fire Knight, and if you want to know what the game is called, it's called Airport Security Guard. Yep. So, the gates are about to open. Chip chop! I'm gonna act like a real security guard. I never been to the airport. Because I never wanted to play it, but off a stereotype, I'm gonna act how it, like, yeah. Alright, let's hurry it up! Don't go all day.
Okay, just stay calm. Oh, wait, I mean,
Wait a minute! That looks very familiar.
Please don't make me leave. Is that real? It looks real. No!
Ah!
Look, I swear I didn't pack anything weird.
Oh, wait, that's not it.
Hi, take care of my stuff. I mean, I'm not hiding something, but is it supposed to? I can explain. I didn't know it was still in my pocket.
You guys watch this? Whoa, wee! Alright. Bang up the suitcase. Guys.
Listen, if there's something weird.
Yo, Fire Knight! Fire Knight! Fire Knight! So, you're good to go, bro?
That was fast brakes.
I got it. Hit the nay, us. Hit the nay.
You guys ever find weird stuff in bags? Haha, not mine though.
I'm a first check his bag.
Wait, are you sure you need to open that?
Yes, I do. I'm sure. Okay, hands up.
Wait, what? That's not mine, I swear! Okay, I get it. No such moves.
Yep, no sudden moves, no sudden moves. Get up.
Oh man, this is not going well. Ah, is that real? It looks real.
I don't know. Let me test it out. Let me see if it's real. Yep, it is real. Okay. Oh, yeah, please.
Oh wow, really? I mean, yeah, of course, thanks.
You guys ever find weird stuff in bags? Haha, not mine though.
You guys ever found weird stuff in bags? Haha, not mine
Ready
though.
to open that?
Are you sure? Hey, man. This is illegal. Sorry.
Oh, no, this must be a mistake.
Scanning environment. Hello, officer.
This video is 2 seconds long. Shout out to people who stay for the song. This video is 2 seconds long. Shout out to people who stay for the song. I just ate mac and cheese out my pants pockets.
Please proceed.
Energizer! That's illegal, mate.
My mission is too critical for denial.
You can leave. Yeah! Well, guys, after this round is over, then I'll end the video. So let's see how much I can get. Come on, I don't got all day.
You guys ever find weird stuff in bags? Haha, not mine though, right? Wait, are you sure you need to open that?
This video is 2 seconds long. Shout out to people who stay for the song. This video is 2 seconds long. This video is 2 seconds long. This video. You're ruining.
Please don't hit me again. I learned my lesson.
This video is 2 seconds long. 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 Shout out to people who stay for the song.
Lots of security today. That's good, right? Yeah, totally good.
This video's too support. Shout out to people who say for the song.
Is that real?
This video's 2 seconds long. Shout out to people. Yo, wow.
Nice. That went smooth.
Yeah! Alright, guys. See you in the next round. Alright, guys. This is the next round.
Look, I swear I can explain. I didn't know it was still in my pocket.
You did it? Well, I think you did, and you lied to me. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh wait, this one isn't illegal now, apparently. I don't know what that was all about. I just ate mac and cheese out my pants pocket. If it's not yours, then why is it in your pocket?
Listen, if there's something weird in there, it's not mine.
Oh, really? Maybe
Is
don't
that
shut
real?
your-
It looks real.
Yeah, what my ones? What my ones?
That was fast brains.
This video is 2 seconds
Oh,
long.
here we go.
This video is
Unpacked
2
everything
seconds long.
properly.
This video is 2 seconds long. Shout out to people. This video is 2 seconds
there's
long.
something weird
Shout
in
out to
there,
people who
it's
stay
not
for the
mine.
start. Well, ma'am, do I even? Okay, fine. I'll check you.
I think I left my belt on. Or maybe it's...
Man, really?
It's just a joke gift. I didn't think it would show up.
Well, what the hell? Oh, it's a rush. This video is 2 seconds long. 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 Shout out to
I'm
people
harmless
who
and
think for
still,
the
like a
song.
scared office plant.
I can't approve this.
Is that shocked me to my soul. I surrender. I swear.
Ah, I guess I accidentally pressed a bad boy.
Greetings, Terran checkpoint.
Ah, greetings. Whoa! You dropped my cheese.
False positives.
If there's something weird in there, it's not mine.
Star map and quantum snacks only.
Yeah, disapprove though.
You're pushing planetary boundaries.
You wanna leave now?
You guys ever find weird stuff in bags? I think I left my belt on. Or maybe it's just a joke gift. I didn't think it would show up.
Ma'am, are you wanted? Okay, you're not wanted, but you're not wanted here.
Look, I didn't even blink for 30 seconds. That's gotta count for something.
Yeah, you wanna leave now?
I'm moving.
God, no.
Peacekeeper reporting for scan. Potential breach detected.
Alright, I can breathe now.
This video is 2 seconds long.
Critical tools. My mission is too critical for denial.
Bye! Alright, well guys, that is the end of the video. This is Krabs out.